Welcome back to my channel. It's me, Ryan, Blockmaster Hardy, and now today we're gonna be playing Airplane 4, One Last Flight. So the problem I see with this game is that it's made by Poncho Kings, and Poncho Kings. He's a pretty good developer. He made an entire aeroplane franchise, but for some reason this has only 76% likes, which is kind of less compared to the other three games. But I don't know why. So we're just gonna be playing it. And plus, I don't see many YouTube videos about on this game. So yeah, let's play it. Oh, nice song. More of a chilling song, honestly. So this is the lobby. I suppose that's the airport. The airplane symbol is here. The shop. Ooh, let's see what's here. Follow Poncho King. Game Pass. No Game Pass. No, thank you. Your Airplane 2. Whatever. Fine. Let's enter the lobby. One last flight. Now which has more players? Nice. Nice, please people. Baggage drop. Wee. Wee. How are they able to put baggage? Whatever. Just go here. Go here. Guys, come 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 here. What are they doing? That's teleporting. Come here. Come here. Good. Come here. Come here. Come here, guys. Come here. Come here. Come here. Okay, fine. Whatever. So, let's begin without further ado. Now I think this is the loading screen. So, let's begin. Airplane 4, One Last Flight. Kind of sad airplane hack franchise has to come to an end. Well, everything has to come to an end. Dad! Wakey wakey, eggs and bakey. Is our dad a pilot? Look at him. He has goggles like a pilot. What? Don't tell me you forgot. Forgot what? Today is the big day. What big day? Let me remind you. We are flying to the Rohamas. I think that's the Bahamas. Get down here. Go find Dad. Objective. Go find Dad. The Rohamas. Come on. Oh, that's my bag. Cool. Oh my. Don't know if you have done your bag. Sorry, Dad. I can't believe you forgot. We don't even have time. Sorry, Dad. That's it. Whoever doesn't have baggage ready, whoever have the baggage ready before breakfast is not going to the trip. Sorry, Dad. I will start making the burgers in the backyard. Hurry up. Dad, go. Please go. You are annoying me. Go. Go. No one cares about you. Lol. Go. Flip our burgers. I want to go to the trip. Yeah, the Bahamas are cool. What are we gonna do? IDK. Just pack our bags. Just got an idea. Just take all the clothes from the closet and dump it. Simple. And see everything right there. Then we start packing. So this is our changing room. Cool. Cool, this is my room. I know it's your room. I'm just going to sleep. I'll be for late sleeper. What's outside? Nothing boring. So I suppose that's the girls' room. That's the boys' room. Let's explore our house instead. This is the couch. I'm gonna watch some TV. I'm getting bored. Watching TV all the time. Cruise story. I think Poncho can also make cruise story, right? Whatever. Okay, guys. Time to start packing. Let's go. Find this item. What the hell? I think I have to look in the girls' room. Really? I'm wearing girls' dress. You got to be kidding me. Literally, I'm a boy. What the hell? Next, please don't be any girl clothes. Please find this. I think it'll be in the boys' room. Please be in the boys. My Nike, my shoes. Let's do this. Why are they playing dramatic music? It's not like a life or death situation. Chill. Done. Dad, I need burgers. It's like a dramatic story. Find this. Please tell me it's a boy cloth. Boy clothes. Let's see what we got here. It's a boy clothes. That's it. Come on, grab it. I have only 20 seconds left. Now I see why it's dramatic. Come on. Done packing. If this was real life, I would just pack this much. Burger almost ready. Where is a rotten burger? Ew. I wish I don't get that burger. Let's go to the backyard. Open. Dad, give me a burger. Give me a burger. 28 seconds for what? I don't want to be swimming. Hey. Oh. I got a secret. Cool. I got a cool secret. Secret one. Well, give me a burger, Dad. Who wants a burger? Me. I do. Everyone. I'm so hungry. Bro, alright. Whoever wants one, take a seat on the picnic table. Sure thing. Give me a burger. No, sit on the picnic table. Sit on the table. Don't you have any manners, bone? Now let's take a time to see our members. We have that guy FC and bone and I'm bad at pronouncing names. Why did you make so much burgers? So we have bone 27 6 7 8 8 5. There's a little party down here. I will tell Dad. Objective, listen to the radio. Earlier this month, President congratulated brave heroes that saved his life aboard a presidential plane. Okay? Wow! Can you imagine? I can imagine. Can't you imagine? Can you imagine saving a plane? I can. However, the president said in a conference, as we landed, the suspect somehow disappeared. That means the agent who was the demon was disappeared. The police wants everyone in the block to be careful and report anything that could be useful for the case. Hello. Go to say hello. Hi. How could you? Oh man! Look at time. We're dead. I'm running. We're running late to our flight. There's no way we can make it. Then make us go and let's follow me. Dad, can you hurry up? Okay. Friends. Come on, Dad. Go faster. Go faster. Move it. Move it. Follow Dad. Objective. Dad, can you run faster? Wait a minute. What are you doing here? What is that guy doing here? Weirdo. I have a bad feeling about this. I have a good feeling though. The garage. Of course, we're gonna use a card. Duh. Wait for it. Oh, I think he also made daycare. Poncho King. Dad. I present you. What the hell? You made your own small plane. My plane is in the front. Yay! No, it's in the back. Sorry. Your plane. We get to fly to the airport to catch another plane. That's funny. We fly to the airport to catch another plane. That's funny. That's very funny. It's also a lot more fun than walking. Yes, it is. Now, we can't lose more time. Find your plane and grab a seat. Objective, get on the plane. We have 13 seconds. This looks so funny. It also looks cool, no offense. It's so cool though. After sending a friend request. Oh no, I have max friends. Sorry. Sorry, but I have max friends. Maybe we'll find out. I get the obstacles. It is amazing. Obstacles? It's the end of the road. Oh my god, it's a lobby. Whoa. I'm saved. Whoa. This is hard. No offense, but on mobile, this is the hardest thing in the world. Oh my god. Airport, yes, we made it. With with less health. Baggage. We arrived. Wait for everyone to finish. Hey Dad. How did Dad get over here? Perfect. Everyone is here now. Got my baggage. I forgot to tell you. What kind of spelling is that guy? Flying over that shortcut is illegal. Ha 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 ha. Just don't tell anybody. The airport is just around the corner. I can see it. There's an airport sign. Let's keep moving. Follow Dad. Now you better move fast. What the hell? It's right here. Dad, can you move? Oh, police car. No, that's a normal car, sorry. It's right there. We already are here, Dad. Whoa. It's right there. Let's cross the street. No cars. Good. That was close. My god. I didn't expect that. I thought our car was just there for a little bit of a joke. Oh, Hamas. Delay. Please drop your package. First one. 716. That's our flight. Shit. I have my ticket. Get yours before the plane takes off without us. I trust you. Come on. Let's run before it's too late. I have my ticket. Where? I got my ticket. No more waiting. Let's go. Open that door. Oh, we're going on an A380. We're going on an A380, right? That's an A380. We're going on an A380. Which airlines? That's our plane. Move. Hello. You must be the last passengers flying to the Bahamas. To the Bahamas. Don't worry. You are just in time. Thank you. All you need to do is go through the metal detector. It's simple and you are good to go. Alrighty. Let's go through the metal detector. What? I don't have anything on me. You have something, Dad. Other than these weapons. Wait, our dad is a hijacker? Dad, what the hell are you doing? Something is not right. Please wait a minute. Wait a minute. Oh no. I don't like how that sounds. Me too. Hey, you don't arrest me, arrest Dad. You are going to have to come with us. What did I do? My dad has weapons, not me. My dad has weapons, not me. Is there a problem, officer? Get on the plane. All of you are caught flying over a restricted area. Wait here till we get all the paperwork. Die. Let us go. I knew it was a bad idea. Why in the world did you bring a bat? Why does this guy have a metal bat? Oh, it's just a normal bat. Now we're totally losing the flight. Bye bye, A380. There it goes. It's starting to take off. Stupid dad, why the hell did you bring a baseball bat? What is that red thing in the airstrip? What the hell? What the hell? Last one. My plan is finally complete. Skelet talks. What happened? What did you do? I didn't see that. Ah! Are you trying to show? What the hell happened, bro? Humans? What happened? Your world will soon be property of the undead. Of the undeads. First, I use angry humans to help me build an army. But now I can take over the world. What the hell happened to the plane? Don't worry. You will be part of my army too. Hell no! Bye bye. See you at the afterlife. Mwahaha. Dad, there's a vent here. These guys are telling there's a vent here. Where's my ticket? How do you have a ticket? It is not a ticket in my inventory. What's going on? I can't move. I can't move. Look, the cops are black. Let's ask them for help. The cops are back, but they're black. No offense. Like they are looking demonish. And I don't think the cops are friendly. They are not friendly. Find everyone and kill the infected cops. Whee! Save me! Die for the name of humanity. Die. Now what the hell do we do? I'm following you guys. I think we have to escape to the vent. That was horrible. I gotta find a way to exit this place. There's a vent here. There are 3 vents to be precise. Look, there's vents. We're gonna grab that. There are vents. Try to see if we can get up there and find something. Look, guys. We found an open vent. Yay! Good job. What happened? We need to get out of here. Quick. Where? Where is Dad? He's still there. He's too scared. You need to keep going. Without me, he's infected. Because it's affecting Dad. We have to do something. But first, let's get out of this place. Agree. Before monsters come. Escape the or beat through the rooftop. Secret 4. We got a secret. Yes, we escaped this place. Let's go. Wait for everyone to finish. Remember, it looks like I'm too late to the party. General Poncho. Who even are you? It's General Poncho. I remember you, bro. I'm Poncho. Ex-general to the Proxy State Army. So he wasn't dead after all. In the last, I heard it from the news. Were you not supposed to be dead? He's alive. Let's go, bro. Let's go. Let's go. I wanted to stop the stage game first since the world depended on it. I had to fake my death. But you are alive. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Where do anyone's left? I have to find and destroy Skeletox. Agree. For the bad energy consumes us. Agree. We need to do this for our dad. In the name of our dad. It's time to be a hero then. Follow me. Guys, General Poncho is alive. How come I not heard this before? No wonder no one. That's why YouTubers don't play this game. Why? This game is pretty good. Oh my god, what threw that mystery creature? That's that way. But I don't have my bat equipped. I don't have my bat equipped. No, oh my god. Yes. General Poncho. Who are you, mystery creature? Be careful. This guy might be an infected. Wait. Why does he seem familiar? Wait. Is that Ronald? It's Ronald! I recognized him. His shirt. His shirt. It's Ronald. I remember him from the last one, Airplane-4. No way. It was supposed to be dead. Well, both of you were supposed to be dead actually. I guess we're both supposed to be dead. But here we are. Ronald, are you good? When my dark side attacked the presidential plane, we got shot in the face. Oh my god. That made my curse become weaker. Only way I can completely be free is like killing Skeletox. So he's also on our side, technically. I still don't trust you. Yeah. You could be lying to us. That's true. Guys, kill him. Kill him. Kill him. Kill him. You're not going to be part of this mission. Yes, you won't be part of this mission and you will never be part of this mission. Well, I'm still going to do it, General. Who's coming with me? I'm going with General Poncho. There's no way my team is going with you. General Poncho, don't make us vote. I'm a bad voter. Oh my god. I follow General Poncho. I like General Poncho a lot. Yes, General Poncho, guys. General Poncho. I don't trust you, Ronald. Sorry. We chose to go with General Poncho. Sorry, Ronald. Stay out of my way, Ronald. We're saving the world. Duh. Let's begin this. This is the place where all the evil energy comes from. Okay, cool. What is that noise? It's infected. Oh no. They found us. Run. Quickly. Go inside the cave. Shit. Dead end. It's a dead end. Maybe here? Come on, please, please. Wait, I think it's pointing. I think the airplanes are pointing in the direction in which we need to escape. Yes, I think I know what to do. We have to just follow the airplane's direction, the nose of the airplane direction. Yes, it's the. We're here. It's quite simple. Just follow the aeroplane's nose direction. What's this place? It looks like an evil altar, like a temple worshipping this Skeletox thingy. Someone must have summoned Skeletox. That's true. This glowing plane looks like an offering. Ah! What the hell? I nearly fall down here. What is this place? Look up there. Who's there? I don't see it. Ronald. You were right. General. Good. You were right, General. Thank goodness we followed General Poncho. Pilot. Wait. Kelly! I thought she was dead. Wait, Pilot Kelly from Airplane-4. She flawed a presidential airplane. Jack! From cruise ship. It's Jack from the cruise ship. From cruise ship story. Whoa! Quickly, we have to get them out. Bro! Get out of here, General. It's a trap. Oh no. It's too late. I don't see you. Where are you? Oh my god. I think those cages are for us. It's too late. Ah! I have harvested enough scared souls to have my full power. What the hell? What do you think? Why do you think I go after planes? It's the easiest way to get souls together, scared for their life. That's true. He's smart. I can agree. I just used Ronald because I did not have enough power to do it myself. Oh, but now I do. Get ready to be harvested too. Hell no! It's a boss fight. Hell no! Save me. Oh my god, he's trying to kill us. It's a boss fight then. What is he doing? Oh man, god. He's trying to kill us with his hand. Ah. Wait, his hand is like going to kill us? Like slap us? Whoa. How do we kill Skytox? I'm literally almost half health. Run! Oh, run that direction, run that direction. You're never gonna take us alive! Oh my god. Oh my god, he's gonna scare me. Oh my god. Run! Bro! You're gonna die! What are you thinking? Wait, where's Bone? Where's Bone? Oh my god! He's crazy. We have to run out of here. Oh my god, oh my god, oh my god. He's scaring me. We have to kill him! That's the perfect idea. Kill him. Kill him, kill him, kill him, kill him. Oh shit. This is the only way to kill Pon. Where's Bone? Skeletox. Poncho? Poncho? What the hell is Poncho doing? Just standing there. No! Run! I'm sure we can survive this dude. Run. Oh my god. Just run. I'm half health down. Oh my god, he has a sword. I'm going to take that sword up. sword. Oh my god, I'm losing health like anything. Hopefully I don't die. Please make me sure I don't die. Please make sure I don't die. Please. Bro, I almost died. Shit. I'm the only one here. Whoa. Just keep running, and don't look back. That's the only thing I need to do. Yeah, no, go for it, now go for him. Yes. Just don't look at the hell, just that one second. Just kill him. Oh my god. Just keep running. Oh my god, this is scary. Please, someone, I need someone to help me. Oh my god. Run. This is scary. Please get off. Don't kill me. Okay, run that direction. My god. This is scary. Oh my god. Run that direction. I think I can kill him maybe. Hopefully, I'll just keep running. Run that direction. Run that direction. Run! Oh my god, he's almost half health. Run! Please don't kill me. Run! General Poncho, you better help me. Oh shit, this is not time. This is not the time. Yes, it is the perfect time. Just kill him, just kill him. Just punch him. Wait. Ah, my god. Oh my god. Sorry guys, that's my grandpa. Oh my god. Run. Just keep running. Nothing else. He's almost down. I can kill him. What? Run that way. I found out how he does this move. He will move in the direction of where his inner palm is. That will help me a lot now. This is perfect. I can finally kill him. Let's do this, guys. Please also remember to like and subscribe. Please. Yes. You will never take me alive. I will fight like a hero. Tell Poncho. Run. Run, just keep running. Keep running. Oh no, keep running, just keep running. Oh my god. Is this the moment? Yes, this is the moment. Kill him, kill him. Kill him, kill him, kill him, kill him, kill him. Please die, please die, please die. He's almost dead. Just a few more hits. And I'll just survive this maniac. Well, I'll just tell you guys one thing. Please play this game with a friend or with someone else, because playing it solo will take a long time to kill this guy in a boss fight. But it is easy. It is very easy. My ultimate sword. I'm trying to kill him. Just a few more hits. Boom. The one thing, what is General Poncho even doing? He's like, whoa, I'm scared. Can't you help me? Can you help me kill this guy? Whoa, it's yummy. Keep running. Okay, to find a way to kill the Skeletox. My sword of oh no. I used to do it. Oh shit. Yeah, this is the moment. Kill him! Kill him! Kill him! Kill him with my sword! This will be the last final hit, please. Come on, kill him! You shall be slain, you ugly monster. Sorry for calling you ugly. He's dead! He's dead! He's dead! We killed him! Yay! Victory! Let's do this! Oh my god. Ah! What happened? You did it, soldiers! Skelox is gone for good. We did it! We did it! We did it! We did it! Let's get everyone out of here. Take it back, sword. The nation of Robloxia is grateful once again to me. I want to congratulate these brave heroes for bringing evil to an end. You mean brave hero? Because I'm like the only one. Yay, look, there's Flamingo, there's Dream, there's many other YouTubers here too. Good job, soldiers. Enjoy the moment. Yay! No. I'm just going to wave high. I've been trying to finish with Skatex for a long time. And finally, he's gone! I know Dad would be proud. Although my dad is kind of dead. Wait. What about our dad? What about everybody else? What about everybody else who was infected by the monster? Wait. Who is that over there? What's up, family? Did you miss me? Where are you? Wait. No way. Hello, Doug. I didn't miss you. Oh, there's Dad. Kelly is our mom? What the hell? Kelly is our mom? That is right. And the family is finally complete again. That makes no sense. Well, this is kind of a fun story game. Isn't this amazing, General? Wait. The General is gone. Well, he's the General. A General has many other stuff to do. Hey, we can't be sure. Wherever he goes, he will be saving the world. That's true. Donald Trump. Let's do this. Good ending. We did a good ending. So I think if we follow Ronald, we get a bad ending. But yay, we got a good ending. Good ending is good. So Airplane-4 one last flight comes to an end. Not like we haven't been on the airplane, like it's more of a normal story game. I wish we were on the airplane and did the story game on the airplane, but it doesn't matter. But at least we did it. So that wrap up the video for today, guys. Thank you for watching this and peace. Remember to like and subscribe, okay? Peace. Now how do I turn this off? Now again. Peace.